data engineer and a data scientist. You've probably seen these job titles all over LinkedIn. And if you're thinking of getting into the data field, I bet you wonder, which one should I go for? Do I need to learn coding? And wait, don't all of them just work with data anyways? Not quite. While they all deal with the data, what they actually do day to day is very different. So, let me break it down for you in simplest way possible. Think of a company like Amazon. Every second, thousands of order, clicks and customers interaction happen. This massive amount of data needs to be collected, stored, analyzed and used for decision making. Where these three roles comes in. Data engineers are responsible for building the system that store and organize data. Data scientist takes that data and uses AI and machine learning to predict trends and optimize business decisions. Data analyst uses that processed data to generate report and provide insight that helps companies grow. Different job, but all connected. Now, let's get into each role. Let's start with data engineers. If you like building systems, working with big data, and solving technical challenges, this role might be for you. Think of them as the builders of the data world. Their job is to collect, clean, and store data so that the analyst and the scientist can use it. Let's say an e-commerce website collects millions of customers' transactions every day. The data is messy and all over the place. So, the data engineers creates a pipeline that organizes it and moves it into the structured database. And yes, this means a lot of coding. They use Python, SQL, and tools like Apache Spark and AWS. They are not sitting in meetings explaining insights. They are behind the scene, making sure data flows smoothly. If you love coding and figuring out how to handle massive amount of data, this is where you belong. Now, let's talk about data scientists, the ones who get all the hype. So, what they actually do? They take the cleanup data from the data engineers and run complex algorithms to find patterns and make predictions. For example, have you ever wondered how Netflix know exactly what you want to watch next? That's data scientists at work. They use past data to train AI modules and predict what you love. This role is heavy on stats, maths, and coding. You'll need Python, R, machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, and a solid grasp of probability. If you're fascinated by AI, predictive modeling, and uncovering hidden patterns in data, then this is your path. And finally, let's talk about data analyst, the role that is closest to business decision making. And a data analyst takes existing data and translates into clear reports and dashboards that helps companies to make smarter decisions. For example, if an e-commerce company notices a drop in sales, a data analyst would dig into the numbers and answer, is the issue seasonal? Are customers abandoning their carts? Do we need to run up prompts to boost sales? They use Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI to present data in a way that business leaders can actually use. If you enjoy problem solving, working with numbers, and helping businesses make data-driven decisions, this role is great fit. So, which one should you choose? Here's a quick way to decide. If you love coding and building large-scale systems, go for data engineering. If you are into AI, machine learning, and solving future problems, data science is your path. If you enjoy analyzing trends, making reports, and helping businesses make decisions, you'll love being a data analyst. And that's the difference between a data engineer, data scientist, and data analyst. To recap, data engineer builds data pipeline. Data scientist creates AI power module. Data analyst interprets data for business insight. Now, tell me in the comments which data career excites you the most. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking to start a career in data. See you in the next one.